What? I know. My buddy Jay. We'll talk to him in a minute. Look at this. Can you see it? I think it's beautiful. This is the new shop. Last time I was here, he was at a different shop. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my God. I mean, look. He even does fences. There's that hood I was looking at. That's just crazy.
It's getting close.
So you doing all right?
Yeah, man.
It's been almost 2 years. How you doing? Nice to meet you, Brian.
Washington.
So you doing this?
No, he is. I'm just doing the finish work.
Oh, the finish work?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna be like, oh my God.
It's looking good.
What the hell you got going on over there?
Well, come over and look at it. 240 for the 2 benzene doing the turbo.
Holy hell.
Yeah,
Everything's
All custom work.
Yeah, this is gonna be the header going out the side.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Holy hell. Boy, that's making my nipples hard. That's Stop it. Don't play with me like that. What? Got one of those.
mini tubs.
You can go ahead. I'm not trying to slow you down.
Mini tubs on that. Poor boy's truck, the friends come in finally, and we're doing GSI is sold us a body drop chassis, which it wasn't body dropped. So now we're body dropping
Oh my God.
the vehicle for the customer.
Right, right.
So we're on our way over that.
I mean, the camera can't even capture how big this is. I mean, that's just, it's huge. I mean, look at that. Those are 2-inch bars. Are those 2-inch bars? Or almost?
Yeah.
Jesus. And the body drop. Throw something up front. But yeah, I'm gonna visit for a little bit. That's Jay's Weld Shop. You're Huntsville, Alabama.
Yes, sir.
You got your number?
256-975-4546.
Okay. And I'll talk about that a little bit more later. But yeah, see you guys in a while. I mean, you don't normally film in a bathroom, but when do you ever get to use the bathroom on something like this? Huh? Tell me. When? I get to use this. Well, here I am. Always have a blast at Jasper's. Got to visit with J-Mac. Got to meet Brian, which I call him Paul now. So now I'm just waiting on them to load me up with some brick and I can get out of here and go home. 5 hours of the house or 5 hours of the yard, and then I've got 6 hours left on the clock. So hopefully they can get me done pretty quick. I'll be able to get out of here. So I'm also trying to check the battery. I might have to get this out of here, put a charge on it before I get to the yard. See you guys there.
Pickle salt?
I don't know. That's Mommy's side. When she sits over there.
It's got pickle salt packets.
Pickle salt packets?
Yeah.
Well, I made it home and decided to let Kathleen take Hookie from school because we gotta get ready to go camping, and that's what we're doing today. So we're getting in the truck and we gotta go pick up some stuff from her friend's house, and then I'm gonna go visit with the guys down at the gas station, and then we're gonna get all our stuff and everything ready into the camper. So let's start today. Get out of here. At my buddy Josh's house. He's a bit of a mini trucker too. Oh, I just want to get my hands on those two right there. All right, time to go to the gas station. All right, we got to get all this ready. We just sold this to Bob, so we're gonna air the tires up on this and get that over to Bob's house, and then get the camper ready to go. Get the hitch on the truck here. I mean, yes, I need to work on some stuff in here, but I need some tree time. That's what I'm calling it. Tree time. Where's my compressor? Okay, talk to you guys in a bit. I gotta get the tire. Slave driver here. No, it really ain't that hard to push. I gotta learn how to drive with one hand. We're going over here to Bob's house. We sold this one. Like I said, I'm not gonna get around to doing anything with it. Bob can get somebody to build it for him, and then that way it's out of my hair. You gotta push harder, girl. I can't keep up. I can't keep up. Okay, see you guys in a bit. All right, here we go. Headed out.
Got 3 waterfalls.
Got gas. Boom. Like quarter of a tank, $60. Like I expected anything less, right? All right, we're gonna drive. What?
I said okay, okay.
Okay. All right. We didn't show the whole setup, how we did this, but we're at Lake Catherine now. See, there's the lake. We got a spot. This is where Mommy's gonna park, is right here in this little spot right here.
We forgot something.
What?
Catherine. So there's a lake, but where's Catherine?
Catherine's not here.
We forgot.
I think
her.
Catherine watches the videos.
Probably.
Yeah. So anyway, we've got the camper set up. It's just a little off tilt, but it's fine. Can't always be absolutely perfect. I mean, that's how you rough it in a camper, is it's not level.
Can I go boop the water?
You want to poop in the water?
I want to boop the water.
Okay, go boop the water.
I want to boop the water.
Gina gets off at 4 o'clock. Then she's got to run by the house, and then she'll be on their way this way. Now I need to use the bathroom. Finally. Do you park right here? Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Yeah. I would set your emergency brake here.
Should I straighten it up, or am I good?
No, you're good right there. You can go ahead and put it down. No, turn your wheels back that way.
Okay. It's hard for me to tell with my wheels.
Go ahead and lay it down. Okay. So here we are. Got everything set up. You can go ahead and turn it off. Here we are. Went camping, and she bought Arby's so we could eat.
Because it took me so
Hi,
long to
baby.
get here, baby.
What?
I forgot the bread. I knew I'd forget something.
Forgot bread? We'll be fine. We made it. All right, we're gonna eat. Having our breakfast.
And everything tastes better camping.
It's awesome.
So I guess I did a pretty good job.
Yes, grill my eggs every day.
Oh my God, they're almost gone. But yeah, after this, we're gonna take, well, I don't know about after this, but today sometime we're gonna take a trek up to the waterfall and check out the waterfall. With all the rain that's been falling here lately, it should be a pretty good, instead of just a little trickle, it should be a good, pretty good flow, huh?
It usually is.
Or is it about the same all the time?
It should be pretty good.
I've actually never been because I'm lazy and I don't like walking that far, but I guess that's what I'm doing today. But thank you for the coffee. You did a really good job. What do you got in yours? Chocolate milk?
No,
It's not coffee.
that is Bloody Mary mix.
Already?
I didn't put alcohol in it. It is Bloody Mary mix.
It's fine. What are you drinking?
Coffee with the chocolate milk.
Oh, you know what? I thought about doing that myself. So,
I
all
got
right.
coffee too.
Bloody Mary and coffee?
That does not sound good.
No, it doesn't.
Y'all do you, you do me. Y'all do you, you do me.
I'm gonna get off here. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we're on our trek. I hope I have enough time left on this thing. We're out here in the woods, taking a nature walk. This is kind of cool. Okay, I'm just gonna walk. I don't want to wear my knees out. No, thank you.
Someone find the trail. Kathleen's old initials, KB.
It's so pretty up here.
Look at it. That's what they put over there so we can walk across on the bridge.
That's some murky stuff.
That's it.
Go ahead, walk down there. Get you a drink.
Yeah. Yep, someone lost the cedar seat.
It's like a four-wheeler seat. Here's our next little stop right here. Nice little bench that we're sitting on. Kathleen. That is so cool. What's that, a centipede, right? Or millipede?
You said Penelope.
Millipede.
Oh.
He's like, oh, somebody's over me. I'm going around.
This is the nurture.
Somebody yelled cannonball. I started recording.
No. It's not that big.
So this is one of the reasons we went camping. This was one of Mom's favorite places to come to, was the waterfall and out here. So we brought part of Mom with us, so she can always be here. Kathleen, that wind's gonna blow right in your face.
You're okay. I'm gonna put it down further.
It's fine, quit looking at people.
And on the inside of here it says,
What's it say?
"A mother's love lives in your heart forever."
Yes, she does. Now Mom will be here every time we come out here. She'll be able to do whatever people do after they're gone. You kid? Okay. All right. Thanks. We're feeding Bob dog food.
Yes, it's our pet squirrel, Bob.
Bob's gonna know how to bark. Well, Bob climbs bark. Bob knows how to bark.
Or cry like April.
He's back.
Oh, hi, Bob.
I think I missed that.
Really? How'd you miss it? You're on video.
I don't know.
Oh, he sneezed. Bob sneezed.
I want to get the hand off.
We're working on it. He says, "Let me eat this one first." Oh, scratch, scratch.
He don't know. I think he's full.
Bob.
He might be full.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, I was zoomed in on that one. All right, that's it.
That's enough.
They're just sitting at each other, having a conversation.
What is that song actually talking about? Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. What is it talking about?
It's a bad definition, but I don't remember what it actually means.
Without looking it up.
I don't remember.
What are you doing?
Just a bug.
You-
Get up. It's a wee.
According to the political theory, the lyrics of Rockabye Baby were a death wish directed at the infant son of King James II,
Oh.
hoping he would die and be replaced by a Protestant king.
Why are all nursery rhymes a bad song?
They
I can hear my thing rocking.
think about it, nursery rhyme Rockabye Baby.
I'm just waiting for it to snap.
What, Daddy?
I can hear her rope rubbing back and forth. I'm waiting for it to snap and her go flying. Oof.
Contains some strange lyrics. After all, it tells of a baby rocking in branches of a tree and falling to the ground when a limb snaps.
That's the power plant.
He's talking to the camera.
Which is in of itself rather violent, disturbing, the baby even up there. Sticking an infant in a tree doesn't sound like a sound, mindful, safe practice today. But the beating must have some odd backstory that we don't know about yet.
Hi. Kayaking in the rain. Woohoo!
Hey, you want to give us a pointer back in that direction or whatever? You're using that backwards. There you go.
Bye.
Now I can just kick back and relax.
Stop raining.
Yeah, it's been sprinkling a little bit here and there. There's our camp. We haven't gone nowhere. We literally haven't gone nowhere.
I'm letting the water turn me around.
all this movement, and we haven't gone nowhere. Running into her. We're like pirates.
Let's go that way.
Huh?
Let's go that way.
That's where boats go really fast.
Well, there aren't any boats out here right now.
All right, I'm gonna get to paddling.
Oh, it's sunny.
The wind wants us to go back.
Yep. What are you doing? Look over your right shoulder. How much weight did you say this thing can carry?
330.
Well, I'm at 280, so I think we've got that beat.
Yep.
Yeah, she's like 105 pounds. That's it. No, I gotta get the other two. I was letting her know to go ahead and grab those, and I pulled forward. Kind of rained on us a little bit earlier. Oh yeah, you guys saw that. Okay. Here's the key for the side box. That way I can pull forward. You can grab those 2 blocks, just throw them in that gray tote right there, and then close that and lock it. The 2 yellow blocks underneath the tires, baby. Just throw them in there and just throw, yeah. Let me get pulled forward and we can do this. She helps me out so freaking much. Oh, you guys can't even see her. Maybe. Huh? Is that the right key? Gotta push it in. Ah. April's waiting. Ruby's over here. Oh, come on.
Hello, April. Hello. Hello.
Now we do what we always do. We go get Mexican food.